Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So get another gaming vlog. So this is a tutorial about the Pokemon Unite. So how to change the moveset of your Pokemon, right? So yes, I'm gonna have to log in first to my Pokemon Unite account, right? So either you are using a mobile version or a Nintendo Switch, right? So I'm gonna have to show to you how to use how to change the moveset, right? So yeah, so I have some Pokemon that hasn't been changed the moveset, right? So since I forgot how to change the moveset of it, okay, so and also the other one, the other Pokemon that I uh, already changed the moveset is just like Venusaur, right? So since the change since the changing of the what is this called, the changing of the moveset, right, of the Pokemon Unite, and the developer changes. So let's go, gonna have to check it out, how to change. Okay, so I'm gonna show to you how to make. Okay, so I already made a first video of this, but I have to make another video with this one, okay, so that you will see, so that you will know my voice, and also my, right, so to, just like this one. Okay, so yeah, so I'm gonna have to, okay, gonna have to, okay, so I'm gonna log in. Okay, so let's go, gonna log into the game. So it's taking too long. Okay, so not so long. Okay, right, so all right, there we go. So we already here. All right, so I'm gonna have to, okay, gonna have to record this one. Okay, all right, here we go. So where it got right over here is we're gonna go to the ZL. Okay, and then to the all the Pokemon, right? So let's go right over here. So um what Pokemon I forgot to change the, I think, no, I think it's Cinderace. Okay, where is Cinderace? Okay, there you go. So gonna have to click Cinderace, and I'm gonna have to click the moveset. Okay, so back. Okay, okay, what is what one? Okay, there you go, right over here. So yeah, in use is gonna be the pyro ball, right? So you're gonna have to change the letter Y for the auto set, right? So and we're gonna go on to the next one. Okay, gonna go on to the uh next one. Okay, and then there we go. Also, I already changed. Okay, I already changed the flame charge. So I think that's in my mobile, right? So yeah, that is my second account in mobile version of the Pokemon Unite. So yeah, so you're gonna have to change the auto set to change the icon, so to change the mob set. So okay, it's already been okay, it's already been, okay, let's go, gonna get over to Meow's Canada. I think I didn't, rock, right. So there you go. Yeah, so here is uses the flower trick, right? So I'm gonna have to change the, I'm gonna have to change that one. So I'm gonna have to click the letter Y for the auto set. So here, there you go, in use. Okay, so the next is I'm gonna have to click the, this one, right? Okay, let's go, gonna have to click. So it says double team, so I don't want to use the double team, so I'm gonna have to use the trailblaze. So I'm gonna have to click the letter Y for the auto set, right? So here we goes, that is already been gonna be your default Pokemon Unite, Pokemon change. So it's still the first one is the whole close, right? So yeah, Leafage is the first. Leafage is the first one. So you're gonna have to. So the previous is you're gonna have to change either the Flower Trick or the Night Slash, right? So but it's gonna be automatically what is the desired moveset that they want to that you want to use, right? So they change it into one moveset, right? So yeah, that is why I I have been what is this called? I forgot. So I have to make something new, right? So yeah, I have to make something. So that is why today is this one right over here, right? So yeah, so this one is yeah, you're gonna have to use night. I'm gonna have to use Night Slash, right? So if you want to use Flower Trick, it's okay, right? So yeah, so because the first one is the Leafage, right? So the first one is the Leafage, which is gonna be the first move set of the first evolution, right? Which is Sprigatito, right? So and after that, if you reach level 6, you can change in you can use the Flower Trick, right? But I have to use the Night Slash because I wanted to use the Night Slash, right? So that is why so sorry. That is why I'm gonna have to click the letter Y for the auto set, right? So the next is also gonna be the Hone Claw, another one. So you're gonna have to change. So double team. That is the double team. At first, what happened is what I forgot to change Meowscarada's move, right? So I have to change. Okay, so to change the moveset. Since I'm getting used to use the Trailblaze. So, I'm gonna have to use the Trailblaze. So, you're just gonna have to click the letter Y with the auto set, right? So, if you want to use the double team, you just click the auto set. But if you want to use the Trailblaze, you can again click the auto set. So, and then there you go. So, there you have it. So, gonna have to use that one, right? So, and also for the other Pokemon, just like let's just say Chandelure. So details, okay, yeah. So let's check the. So it says flamethrower and overheat. So I think I'm okay with the flamethrower, right? So yeah. So and the next is we're gonna go onto this one right here. If you want to use the Imprison or the Poltergeist, so yes, I'm also gonna use the Poltergeist also, right? So since the Chandelure is only for rental, right? So gonna have to so like that one. So yeah, most of the Squavit. So let's go, gonna have to check some Squavit. So I am not so using Squabit, right? So yeah, Bullet Seed, I'm okay with the Bullet Seed also, yeah. And then next is gonna be the Stuffed Cheeks or Cavet. So there you go. So I'm gonna have to buff, okay, so Hindrance. So yeah, so gonna have to choose the Stuffed Cheeks, right? So I think Stuffed Cheeks is the blue one. That's like a blueberry, right? It's gonna be he's throwing it away. So and also if you want to take that one also, yeah, you're gonna have to take it again. So that is for us additional HP of your Pokemon also, the Stuffed Cheeks, right? So yes, okay. And then I have some Buzzwole over here, but I didn't use it too much, okay. Lunge is gonna be Lunge is, I think I forgot. Okay, it also is SmackDown. Yeah, it's gonna be Lunge. So I'm gonna have to change that to SmackDown, right? So click the letter Y for the auto set. So next is gonna be Superpower and gonna be using the Leech Life. So Leech Life is gonna be, you have to, what is this called? You have to absorb the opponent's HP. So that is what means the the leech life, right? Just like Venusaur's Giga Drain, right? So yes, there you go, there you have it. So Gudra, so yeah, okay, check that one. Okay, Muddy Water, Dragon Pulse, I think I'm gonna go with Muddy Water, right? So but Dragon Pulse is still okay. I'm gonna have to, Dragon Pulse. Okay. Next is gonna be, yep. Okay, Acid Spray. Okay, gonna be go with the Acid Spray. So Green Ninja. I think I'm already, yeah. Okay, Water Shuriken. And also double team. So perfect. Okay, nothing to worry about that. So Delphax. Okay. What is this? Okay, I'm gonna have to check that out. Fire Blast, okay. Okay, and then the next one is gonna be Fire Spin. Okay, so yeah, I'm good with that one. So I don't seem to use, Zoroark, right? So Nice Slash, Faint Attack. So that's okay. Nothing to worry about that, okay. Difficult to use, Zoroark is difficult to use for me, but others are easy to use, okay. So alright, so yeah, so that was my, tutorial on how to change the moveset of your Pokemon, right? So good, okay, that's it for today's video. Alright, so, alright, I think that's it for this video, and I hope you like it, and thank you so much for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe and also click that notification bell so that you will notify all of my upcoming future videos here in my channel. So stay tuned, because I will be giving you some of my new good stuffs here in my channel. Okay, so yep, okay. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again on the next one.